I pick only that much to show in the video. Kim dot ban pandang ein dam bay bang han knong video. That's what a ramp look like. It's young. Dam ktem pray bên nơi chay lõ. And all of that is ramp plant. And this is my ramp spot that I've been here almost 3-4 years already. Cần lang ktem prayរបស់ខ្ញុំ And try not to pick a lot, otherwise you run out. កុំឲ្យដកច្រើនតែខំវាដាច់ពូជ And once again, I would like to say thank you to my new subscriber. I really appreciate it that you come into my channel and watch all my video, foraging, mushroom hunting. ខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបាន subscribe channel នាងខ្ញុំមើល video នាងខ្ញុំធ្វើម្ហូបដកផ្សិតដកបន្លែព្រៃ I'm not done yet. This is the beginning of spring. If you subscribe, like, and share, there are more videos in the future. And thank you so much. This is in the woods. It's a very nice day. ថ្ងៃនេះថ្ងៃក្តៅល្អណាស់ ឃើញស្អាតទេ Isn't that beautiful? It's very nice. I'm here to look for morel too, but I didn't see it yet. ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមកដើររកមើលផ្សិត morel ប៉ុន្តែអត់ទាន់ឃើញដុះទេ Maybe 2 more weeks will come and say hi to Sam. See all those fields of ram. Come say hi to my rams. មើលដើមខ្ទឹមស្អាតណាស់ Not a lot of people know about these. When I first started, I don't even know either. But it smells like onion. It's small, I got purple, green leaf. This is a baby yet. I will do another video when it grows bigger. And some people will confuse with lily of the valley. And I will do that video comparison. មនុស្សខ្លះណាគេអត់ស្គាល់គេច្រឡំដើម lily of the valley អាហ្នឹងវា poison ណាវាពុលប៉ុន្តែដើមនេះស្អាត I can be in the woods every day if I don't have to go to work. I'll show you some more. Look at that. All those little rams growing. ច្រើនណាស់ណាដើមខ្ទឹមព្រៃហ្នឹងដុះច្រើនមែនទែន In 2 more weeks it will be different ពីអាទិត្យទៀតដុះធំទៀតឃើញប្លែក